Hi grade 9s, this is the Theorem of Pythagoras. So, Pythagoras is about right-angled triangles. So what you want is a right-angled triangle, and then you have three sides. So I named the corners with capital letters, like here, capital A, capital C, capital B, and that is triangle ABC. Opposite angle A is side little a, opposite angle B is side little b, and opposite side C is side little c. Now I have two right angle sides, and then I have the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is the one straight across from the right angle. That is the hypotenuse. Okay, so in Pythagoras it says that if I want the hypotenuse, then I can say the hypotenuse squared is this one squared plus this one squared. So if I add the two shorter sides squared, it will give me the hypotenuse squared. Okay. And then, okay, so this is it in other words. A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared. Or B squared, if I want B squared, if I want B, then I can say A squared minus C squared, because that's the long one minus one of the short ones to get B. Or if I want C, I can say the long one, A squared minus B squared. Okay, now let's look at an example. The example here on the right hand side, I have triangle GEF, and they're asking me to determine side EF. Okay, so I have GE, I have GF, I want EF. Okay, so first I identify that I have the hypotenuse, so I'm going to subtract to get EF. I'm going to say, in Pythagoras, I know the hypotenuse squared is equal to the other two sides squared and added. Okay, now I'm going to say GE is 13 squared is equal to 5 squared plus EF squared. Okay, now I'm going to subtract the 25 on the other side. 13 squared is 169, 5 squared is 25. Subtract the 25 on the other side to get EF alone, then I get 144. Now I want to get rid of that squared. If I want to get rid of that squared, I have to get the square root. And the square root of 144 is 12. So that side EF is 12 meters. Okay, I hope that is all that you needed to hear. Let me know if you have more problems.